Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to join a Windows 11 or 10 device to Microsoft Entra ID. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm in the Azure portal right now. If we go Microsoft Entra ID, I have total number of devices 0. So let's go and connect this device on the Entra ID. So for that I have to create one user so that I can use the created user login credentials to connect the device to Entra ID. If you have already created user or user login credentials, then you don't need to create a new user. But here I'm going to create new user and use that credentials to join this device in Intro ID. So my user is created. Let's take this user to join this device to the Microsoft Intro ID. I'm going to copy the user principal name. Let's go to the settings, accounts, access occur school. There is no any device connected here. So also you can check from the CMD whether this device is connected to the Azure before or not. So once you go here, just write this command. Here it will say Azure Edit joined is no. That means it is not connected to the Azure account so far. Click on connect. Here join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. Paste the principal name, put the password. I hope my password is right. Click on join. And it says you are all set. That means the device is connected to the Entra ID. That means we can sign in on this device using this email address and a password by doing switch account. And here it is. So it is connected to the Intro ID. And you can check whether it's connected or not with using the same command. So now this time it will say yes. Azure AD joined is yes. That means it's connected to the Azure. Let's go and verify from Intro ID as well. So here we'll go on devices. Before it was showing number of devices at 0. Now it is 1. And this is the same device. And it will say the register date here as well. And also it is joined under username. So let's go on the users. And it was joined under this account. So here we can find this device on devices list as well. Now, as it is intra joined, you can sign out this account, whichever you are logged in right now, and use these credentials. Use these credentials with the principal name and the password to log in the laptop. I hope you know how to join the device to the Intro ID now. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.